The focus of this video will be on how to estimate federal income tax for year 2024. At this time, we don't have the tax forms for 2024 yet. But right now, what we do have is the Form 1040 for year 2024, and this is only a draft. And so obviously from here until the end of the year, until the end of this year, 2024, there will be more changes to this form. But however, there are information on here that we can use to estimate the tax liability for the year 2024. And so what I did here is I wrote a program in using JavaScript, and that will help to estimate the federal income tax for year 2024. And so once again, the program is written in JavaScript, and I posted on GitHub. And so if you would like to use my program, then in the description section, there's a link that looks like this. You just click on it, and it will take you to the JavaScript program. And so now let me show how to use the program with an example. So here we have a couple, Larry Jones and Mary Jones. They will be filing, couple filing jointly, and they have 2 children. And by the end of the year, 2024, they expect their wages or their earnings together would be about $100,000. And they believe that they will have federal income tax withheld around $10,000. And they also get $1,100 from interest from Form 1099 INT. And then they also get $1,200 from dividends from Form 1099 Div. And so with this information, what we'd like to know is what will their tax liability be? Liability be for year 2024. And so now let's go to the JavaScript program and then input all of this in and then calculate the estimate for the tax liability for year 2024. And again, I like to emphasize here that this program is only for an estimate. It's not 100% accurate, because we don't. The only way to get accurate information is we have to fill out the actual tax forms. But this program is purely for estimate only. So here's the JavaScript program that I wrote. I myself wrote this program. So this is how you would use it. So number 1, select the filing status. In this case, we have married, filing jointly. And then input income sources. I listed a few here. So wages from W2 for this couple is $100,000. Income from Form 1099-T is $1,100. And then if you don't have any, you can just leave it blank or just put 0. And then Form 1099 Div is $1,200. And then if you have any gains or losses from stocks, Form 1099-B, then put it in here. And then you have any other incomes sources, then put it in here. And age for the husband, age for the wife. The reason the age here is important, recorded if your age is 65 or older, then your standard deduction will be increased by $1,500 for a married couple. And then if you're legally blind, you also get another $1,500. And same thing for the wife. And then enter number of children under 17. In this case is 2. And obviously this is for the child tax credit. And then for 2024, it's still $2,000 per dependent child. And then for 2024, the standard deduction for married filing jointly will be $29,200. And this couple, they think that they will have at least $10,000 federal income tax withheld. And if you have any withdrawals from IRA or 401k, then listed in here. Recall that if you, anytime you withdraw money from your IRA account or 401k before the age of 59 and a half, you have to pay a 10% penalty, and then the money that you withdraw will be treated as taxable income. And so in this case, this couple, they didn't withdraw anything. And number 8 here, if you have any other deductions, then put it in here. And then if you attended school, you can put your education expenses from Form 1098T in here, and then the program will calculate the either the American Opportunity Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit for you. And then after that, you just click Submit. And then you get a summary like this. So in this case, we have a total income of $102,300. And then the adjusted income, same thing. And then the standard deductions, $29,200. And then therefore the taxable income would be $102,300 minus $29,200 is $73,100. And then we go to the tax table, or we can use the tax rate formula and then calculate the tax. And so in this case, the program here, I use the tax rate formula instead of the tax table. And then so the tax comes out to be $4,308. And then this couple, they expect to have $10,000 in federal income tax withheld. So it's expected that they get a refund of $5,692. And once again, I would like to emphasize that this JavaScript program is only for an estimate. It's not meant to be 100% correct. And so it's just an estimate of what your refund and what your tax liability will be. And so that's what this video is about. It's about estimating the tax liability and refund for year 2024.